Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we're going to explain how to reset your password on a Brother laser printer. In this case, a DCP-L2640DW. As you can see here, we have a prompt to update the firmware, and it says, what's the default password? Well, the default password is on the sticker on the rear of the machine, and we've already tried it. It doesn't work. We've also tried to browse to the IP address, which you can see in our case is 10.0.0.180, and sign in, and it has failed as well. We have tried all of the passwords I can think of. I probably changed this password when I set it up, but I don't seem to recall what it is. So for whatever reason, we got to reset this thing. Let's get to it. So there it is. And the default password is on the sticker on the back, which in my case is right there. However, that password's not working, and neither are the default passwords I would expect. So we've got to do the reset. Now, there's some documentation that says you don't have to do a full reset. You can get away with just doing a network reset. Yeah, I've tried that. Doesn't work. So let's do the full reset. So let's go to Menu, and these up and down arrows take you to where you want to go. We want to get to 0, which is initial setup. So we can go all the way down, or you can just press up once and go to initial setup. Then press OK. And reset. So we'll just press OK. Machine reset, you think that would be it? Nope. Network reset? Nope. All settings? Yes. So press OK on that. And then press the up arrow and reboot up arrow. And we wait. This does not take very long. Now you'll probably notice your Wi-Fi is flashing because it's been wiped out. So we have to go into the menu and go down to network setup. Ooh, network right there. In my case, I don't want to use wired LAN. I want to use Wi-Fi. Click on that with the OK button right there. Find network. Yep, that's the one I want. Yes, I want the Wi-Fi on. So I'll press the up arrow, searching for SSID. Yep, that's my Commodore network. That's fine. Click OK. Now just use the up and down keys to select your password. Mine starts with 11, as you can see. Okay, now I've got the password for my network put in. Press the OK button. Apply settings. Up arrow is yes. And I noticed my Wi-Fi light stopped flashing, so I'm probably done. Connected. Press OK. And now we just need to make sure the IP address is what we expect so we can get into it. So let's press the menu key and then press the down arrow to network setup. Oh, there it is, network, press OK. Nope, not wired, in my case it's Wi-Fi. Don't need to find the network, TCP, yep, press OK. Don't care about boot method, IP address, there we are. Yep, okay, it gave it the address I suspected. So let's go back to the computer now and try the default password that's on the back of the machine. Right there. So we're back at my computer. Went to HTTP to the IP address. As I said, mine is 10.0.0.180. Guaranteed yours will not be that. Let's click Open Secure Login. Yes, there's an error saying it's not secure. We know, it's fine. It's a local printer. Not worried. And then put the password that was on the back. And bingo, finally in. Hell yeah. Old password. New password. And I'm going to set the failed logins to 10 times because this is a local printer. I'm not exactly worried about it getting hacked. Submit. Bingo! And that is how you reset the password on a modern Brother laser printer. Easy peasy. Hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or a comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, you know, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a good one. Bye.